Hi, Dr. Danyo here from North Atlanta Hair Restoration in Alpharetta, Georgia, just north of Atlanta. I have a question about 4 months of growth following a 3,500 graft FUE procedure. And at 4 months, it's really kind of a frustrating part after the procedure. I mean, you've invested a lot of time and effort and even money into getting 3,500 grafts. And it's frustrating to think that it's delayed satisfaction after getting the procedure. Especially at 3 months to 4 months, most of the hairs that were transplanted are still dormant. But generally at 4 months, and as you get into the 6 month range, there should be a lot of activity for growth. If the procedure is done correctly, I'm talking all the grafts are cored correctly without a lot of damage to the grafts, either coring or pulling the grafts, storing the grafts done adequately, and also placed adequately. Generally, with my patients, I see 60 to sometimes 80% full growth at 6 months. And this can vary from clinic to clinic. Sometimes it takes longer, but I think in the next couple months you're going to be quite satisfied as new hairs are growing in and start to thicken. Also, it may take a total of 12 to 18 months after this procedure where you're at your final result, where the hairs have thickened to their terminal growth, which is their end growth stage, and have also come back as far as luster and overall texture to a normal state. So good luck.